Hello viewers, today I will show you how to plot multiple lines in a Excel graphical presentation. Sometimes we need to draw so many data in a one single graph. So if you are not an expert in Excel, then you cannot do it. So today I will show you how to do it in easy ways. Conventionally, if you want to draw or if you are a beginner, you may trying to draw the plot from the insert menu, but it will not be useful to draw multiple lines. Maybe you can draw maximum one or two lines. So let me show. I have already drawn such a wonderful graph. So today I will show you how to do such type of graph in Excel. So this is my data. So this is my graph. So I copied this table below for your tutorial. So this is same table. If I want to draw like as beginner of Excel or just moderate level expert of the Excel, so I will do what I will do I may select the data and try to draw the picture. So graph maybe here 1 2 3 graph. So if I click here, so this is, so if I click here, see there is no graph. So it is very difficult to draw the data sometimes. So let me show you how to do this kind of nice graph. So for this I will go to insert menu and select any type of graph. So let I choose this graph. So here I have found a blank space. So this blank space has no data, so that's why there is nothing. Now I will right click and go to the select data. Here this window is asking me to add the legend or entity. So I will add the series name. What? This is the series name. The column which contains the value of the curve is the series name. So here the value is a date. In terms of date, so it may be number also, but number can give you good curve easily. So sometimes date may travel also. That's why I try to do it by date. So I will the series name, I will click on the management. So it is taken. So this is the value. So simply delete it and click from the first value to last value. Okay, now see this, my one curve has come. So I want to add another. So simply again I will click and I will select the table data source and simply again add. Click to it. So again I will put the series name LC open date and I will delete it and I will just select the first row to last value. See that my second line has come. So again I want to bring my third value. So I will click just schedule and I will again delete and I will select first value to last value. Okay. So my third line has come. So again I want to add my fourth and my last value. So I will put the design. I will again deleting and I am selecting the range of value. Okay. See the curves exactly is same as my previous. So difference is there is some things. This is listen, and there is some row I have to add. So for this I'll go here and I'll click to listen. So listen here already came. Okay, so now I want to add the horizontal axis, and I want to put the every value and its description. So for that I also again go to select data, and this time I will edit the horizontal axis. So simply I click edit, and I will select the range of the data. Okay, so see, this my all things are as per my previous value. So you can customize this in many ways, in many there is many format is there. So you can select many things. You can format axis. You can format the text position. So text position, text option, so text field and text field, there is then text outline. So axis option, horizontal, there is many option. Actually you can do many option. So this is the alignment. So alignment, vertical alignment, middle, center. So if you want text direction, horizontal. If you want, you can do it like this. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this, So also you can change the to the text size. So here is my text is something bigger than this. So simply I will click on this graph and go to home and increase the size. Okay, so if I want to add some here on some axis title, so I can give axis title. So I can chart title. Okay, so I can write here something. Project target date versus actual situation. You can write here date or time. Okay, so that's how you can draw multiple lines and you can draw as much as possible line in a graphical presentation. So thank you for the today. I hope that this video will help you. Thank you.